Hello everyone, I'm Rohit Ashok. Today I'm here to talk about how we create WordPress website using domain and server. Apart from that, how we gonna add some domain when we already have a domain in our server. That means how to add another domain to a server and create a website where we can showcase or present our own product services, or if you want to create a blog site, you can create a blog site. So before I go ahead and talk about how we do that and how we create a website with the help of a basic information which we should provide inside it, so let's first understand like from where I got my domain and from where I got my server, and based on that I'll tell you how to create a website with the added domain, that means add-on domain. So the problem is lot many people, they buy a single domain, they create a website, and then when they want to add one more domain to that particular server, so how to do that I'll show you today, and how to create a basic website. So the people who want to see how to create a website, for them also this video is very useful, because I am going to tell from the scratch that how we can build a website on WordPress and how we gonna do that with a simple easy step. But guys, before we go ahead and start this video, I want everyone to please click that subscribe bell button below this video, so that whenever I come with a new video, you get that update directly to your inbox. So let's go ahead and start this. So this is my domain provider, that is GoDaddy. I bought my domain from here, so it's a registrar. You can see that this is the name of my domain. I have already done the DNS, so everyone knows how to do the DNS, and because you might have done this previously. So let's directly go and check whether I put the right server name here in the DNS or not. So let me show you whether I have put the right server name. So once you click here, you can see I have already put the right server name in the server column. Now this is my HostGator cPanel where I have logged in. So I know whoever knows how to log into HostGator panel, they can log in, and if you don't know, let me show you how to do that. So once you are you just need to type your name or the link provided to your Gmail ID through which you can open up your HostGator. Link should look like this. Let me type for you. Link should look like this, like this, on your mail ID which you have received, like this. Now this is your cPanel link which you might have received in your website. If you already have a domain register with any hosting services or HostGator, what you have to do is you have to type the domain name and then cPanel. You'll get in the same platform, or with that link you will get in the same platform. Log in here with the details. Now you have already integrated your DNS, that is domain name server, integrated with your hosting. Now what you have to do is you have to look for add-on domain. So once you're on this window, you go to the search bar. So let me tell you one thing, guys. Whatever I am showing you today is for the people who already added a domain and want to add new domain and then build a website, as well as for the people who want to create a WordPress site from a scratch and don't know how to do that. Even for them, this is one of the process they can use it. From here and onwards, they'll learn how to create a WordPress website. So for this, you just on this search bar go and type add-on domain, click here on add on domain. Now provide the domain which you want to add. So this is the domain I want to add. So once I click this, this particular address will be automatically fetched. So it automatically get fetched. Yes. Now click add on domain. So once I click add on domain, so this has already been added. Now next option is to create our website. I can add another domain, but I'll simply move to the website building activity. So from here, either you can create your website through WordPress, or you can use a HostGator site builder to create a quick website. So as our objective is basically to create a WordPress website, so let's click here and let's move to the next window. So once you click here, it will take you to a new window. Here you need to select domain, then select your domain. Guys, don't need to put a directory thing, because we are directly working on a live website, so we should not work on a directory website then transfer our all the data to a main website. So let's work on a live website, and let's see what all differences you can find and how you can manage those and create a website. So the next step is to click next. Here you need to provide the blog title. So I'll just give a blog title Digital Saga. Then admin user, I'll give the same domain name. I'll give a first username, provide here, and then I'll also give a admin email ID. So admin email ID is basically an email ID in case where you forget something and you want to recover all the details, so you will get it here. So don't put admin email ID as any ID which you don't have or you usually forget that. Keep that ID where you can get the details in case of you forget the password or other login details. Now once you are over with all this requirement, you need to click install. So click install. So WordPress is installing, you can see over here. So installation complete, and these are the installation detail which I have received. So now it is saying I need to save this, guys. You need to save this. So copy this and paste it somewhere. Anyways, I'll change this as per my requirement, because in this video I am able to see this, and I'll change this for sure. So once you are over here, you can view other installation, or you can click login. So because we are now in our control panel, we have to log into our WordPress panel, and from there we have to start creating our website. So I'll tell you a easy step to do that. So now click login. So here I have already, you can see my other installation is here. Let's go back. So it is asking for username. So username we have given digital 786. I hope you remember. Password, this is the password I have to copy from here. Anyways, we will change the password. I'll change the password, so I'll just paste it here and then click. So this is a window which is a WordPress window. Now from here and onwards, we are going to create our website. So you can see they are already asking for certain updates. So I'll just update all those things, and meanwhile let things get and this. So I'll tell you each and everything one by one. Let me just update all this plugin first, and then I'll ask the right. So if I want check how my website look. So from here I'll click and check how my website look. As of now it's a default theme which is there in the website. So how it looks you have already seen. So let's start building our website in a very easy step. First, try and understand few things. This is where you will get your basic detail, your username. You can edit your profile, you can log it out. This is your site, blog site name which you have already given. This is the dashboard. This is a complete dashboard. You have some Jetpack plugin installed. This is post, media, pages, comments, and so on. So we'll understand things one by one. We will also understand the difference between page and post, which I have already shown in my previous video. But let's simply move to appearance, and from here we'll start creating our website from scratch. So under appearance you will find basic uh, details are there through which we can create our website. One is your theme, customize, widgets, menu, header, premium themes, and editor. First and foremost thing for a website is to give a look. To give a look we have to select a theme. So there are a lot of free theme available on WordPress. So once we are here, just click theme. So by default this is a 2070 theme given by the WordPress, so we can either work with this or we can select our own theme. So for this you need to click add new theme here and then start looking for a theme which you want. So I'll just click add new theme and then I'll start searching for a theme which is of my requirements. So suppose I want to create a comparison site or a magazine site, so I'll type magazine here. Let's see. So these are basic magazine theme available for me, and I can create website according to this. So you can see this also looks good. So I'll go for this one. I can click detail and preview and then see how it looks. So before guys, you create a website, you need to check whether this theme is responsive or not. Responsive means whether it changes its size according to the devices or not. It should change its size according to mobile phone, according to tab, and according to the laptop or a desktop. Or you can read the details of this website. So this is a basic detail which you can see. So I have just checked detail and preview. Now I'll click install, or I can look for another magazine like this. This also looks good for me. This is also fine for me. I'll go with this or this. I'll go with this. Rather going with this, it's better. I should go with this. I'll click install and then I'll click activate. So once I click install and I click activate, if I want to check my website how it looks, so this is a raw website how it looks. Now I have to provide the basic information. I have to build this website with the stuffs, with the content, so that it looks great. So for this, once I am done, now after this I have to decide that what all content I want on this website and what all headers I want. So for that I need to create certain pages. So pages are something which are a static thing and does not change with time, and post or something which you post as a blog or an article and which changes or which is dynamic in nature, and every day you post something, and that you will always find in some reverse chronological order, where whatever you post today you see that first and then you post something in a past, you have to go back to that date and you have to check that. And there are other differences also in that, but pages are basically the static information which you provide, so that, like, for example, home, for example, about us, for example, contact us pages. So or some blog pages, right? So let's create a blog, some page first, and then we'll create a menu that how it is gonna look, going to be, you know, so how it is going to look. So go to the page here, go to the page here, click that page. Already a sample page is available. I'll just delete that sample page and I'll click a new page, home page. So I'll give this page as a home name, and then if I want to add some media here, I can add media. In this visual bar, I can add details about my home. So I can add detail. This is a toggle bar which I've just opened. You will find basic before I go ahead and talk more about this, let me tell you one thing very clearly, that this particular dashboard works same as like Word, Microsoft Word. You can type anything here, and you can bold it, you can change it to italics, and other information you can see, you can make it here. You can add some file, you can upload some file if you want, you can add images or videos or whatever details you want, you can add it from here, it will appear here. So this is one of the page. After you create this page, you know, you have to publish this page. So I'll just simply publish this page, or I can save this page. I can also provide a featured image to this page. I'll simply publish this page. I will not see the preview. I need 4 pages. I'll tell you how to, then again I'll click add new. I'll click about Digital Saga, publish this, then a new page, contact us, another page. So unfortunately you can see I've created 3 page. I'll create another page, a page name with stories, publish, and then I'll create one more page, higher content marketing. I have published 4 pages. I've created 4 pages. If I want to put information here, I'll put more of the information out here, like what is all about content, blah blah blah, and then I update it or I publish it. So while I was creating all these pages, you might have seen that the link here you can see indexdigital76.com. so it provides a link to your page. This is a link, we call it as a permalink, right? So you can see that there is something here, index.php is coming. So this also you can change the look and feel of this link also you can change. For this, what you have to do is go to setting, under setting go to permalinks, and then choose how you want to see those pages. So it is always advisable that go for a post name, so your domain name and then directly your post name. You can always go with domain name, archives, and the numbers, dates, and your post and so on. After you select this, click save changes. Then let's go back and check how these pages look. So these are your pages which you have just created. Now the next is, if I go and visit my site, you can see these are arranged in some alphabetic order. If I want this home to be here, stories to be here, then contact us in the last, I need to create a menu and I have to rearrange all these details. For that, what I have to do is, again I have to go back to my dashboard, that means backend. So it has a front end, it has a backend. So I'll go to a backend, then under that I'll go to appearance and then click menu and then give a name to this menu or create a new menu. So let's create a new menu and then I'll give a main menu. I'll click create. Now I'll add this pages if I want, and add all the pages here. I can see other pages here. I can search for the pages. I can also add, post custom links or categories. Now a very interesting thing is that I can simply drag and place it anywhere wherever I want. So then I'll go for this and then this. Now suppose this is something which I have done, I'll click save. So let's see how it looks. So why it is not showing, sometimes it will happen with you also, guys. So for this, you have to select a primary location and then save it, and then go to manage location. Under manage location, select this, save changes. Now go here, refresh it, see it is the same which we have selected here. So you may face this problem, that's why I did it deliberately. Now suppose you want a sub pages or a sub pages, you want a drop down for home. Under drop down you find other details, so let's do that. So I'll just what you need to do is hold this and then drag it a bit right, and you want sub menu, then make it a sub menu. Under this you'll find this. Let's save it and let's check it out how it looks. So you can see there are other sub menu, right? Under home you found this. Now suppose so it is already there, you want a sub menu. Under content, so if you click on, sorry, I need to update it, save it here and then go back, refresh it, go back to home. If you see, if I click content, I can see that sub menu is reflecting. Let me go back. It is maybe it is not visible here, but this is what I can get. Only these two pages, under this pages I can get that. So it is reflecting. Let's put it back. Just drag and drop it, guys, that's it. Let me save it. So my menu is done. Now under before I publish any post, let's again go to settings. Under setting, click general, then this is something which you want people to see, so I'll just give a tagline. So this is a tagline, the best never rest, which I have. you can see. And then this is a WordPress site and this is a site URL. This is something which we are talking as a directory site. Provide basic information here. You can always provide date format according to your comfort. And then we can start from Mojo Auto Update. This is a kind of a plugin which we'll talk about later. And then yes, and click save. It is done. Now go to writing. How you want to write. So default categories, uncategorized, standard format you have. You can choose a format according to your need. This is a mail server. If you want to create a mail and then through mail you want to receive something, so you can create that. So I'll leave it like this. Then I'll go to reading. Under reading, you it is very important. In fact, under reading, either you want to show your latest post whenever you post something to your website. Like for example, if I go to my website Rohit Ashok, so you'll always find the latest update or a latest blog which I publish. My home page is different from my blog page. So this is basically my home page. It looks different, and my other pages are different. If I simply go for my website, you will always find a latest blog published. So this is also something which you need to decide what you want to show to your audience, whoever is coming to your website. So you either select your latest post or select a static page. So for example, I want to select a static page. So I want everyone, whenever they come to my website, they see my home page, and then for post page they see my content marketing page. How many blogs you want to show? I want to show 10 blog. I want to show them summary, and then I'll click save. Discussion, media, permalink, these are the things which I'll tell you later. Then we have plugins, and we have widgets, which anyways I am going to tell you in my next video about plugins and all. Let's go to the post. So let's click all post and let's create one post for you, so that how it looks you'll get a feel of it. So I'll create a new post. For this you need to click add new. So I'll just type how to create a WordPress website is my post name. Then I'll start writing to create a WordPress website. You need one domain and then hosting content, right? And then if I want to add any image, I'll simply add an image to this post. You can select the basic details from here. Same image, you can give a name, WordPress. Then alt text is, I'll tell you why I'm giving this alt text in my next video. I'll simply post it. So yeah, you can see the image here. I can select, I can post it here, I can make it big. Then after this I will create a category. Category is digital marketing, and yes, this is a parent category, and I'll add this category. So it is added. Now I'll give a tag to this. You should always give a tag to your post. I'll tell you everything about all these things. Now add a featured image, so how it will look once it is published. So after this I'll simply publish this, and let's see how it looks. So I'll go to my website, and under content, if I click, I can see that blog, right? And if I click this, I can see the image and then whatever I have written here and a comment section and other details. Now suppose I want to put videos also in this post. For that you need to go to WordPress. You can upload a video, not an issue from here. You can always upload a video, but I don't suggest this. Reason being, your website will become very heavy. So don't go and upload a video. Rather publish a video here in YouTube or any channel, and then once you publish a video, go to that video, and then in share, go to embed, copy this, and then go back to your site. Here in text, go and paste that embed code, and then go back to visual, and you can see it is here. You can see that. So now your website is not heavy, and you can update. You have to update this page. So once you update this page, go back here, refresh it, and bingo, you can find, you can run this, right? So you can always do that. So this is how we create our page and post, guys. There are other details are also here. We have to design our widgets, we have to design our background, we have to add some plugin. So I'll gradually go ahead and I'll talk about this. So widgets, you can see these are the extra window which you can see as a widgets. You can always edit this. So let's go to widgets. Under appearance, let's go to widgets. So if you want to add more windows, you can add more windows to your website, or you can reduce. If you don't want to show this window, you can go to widgets. From here, suppose I want to have a search bar, I want to have a recent post, but I don't want to show recent comments. I'll simply delete it. I don't want to show archives. Yes, I want to show categories, so I'll leave category. If I want to add something, what I have to do is I just simply go and drag and drop it here. That's it, guys. So I'll write it as a search bar and then save it, right? Go refresh this, so you'll find your recent post, your search bar, your category, then your search bar, and whatever you have added here. If you want to delete it, just delete it. Then go and refresh here, and you can see there is no search bar, right? So this is how you build up your widgets. Now one interesting thing is that you have till now created everything at the back of your website, that means backend. Now we will change the look and feel of our website from front. So either we go to our website, so either go to your website and from here click customize, or from your dashboard or backend, under appearance you can go to your customize, and once you go to customize, you can find there are some basic informations available from which you can make changes to it. So you can always change your site title, tag and all. From here you can select image, so select the image, you can crop your image. So this is something I want to show on my page, so I'll simply crop it. So this would be a favicon which will, which you can get it here, then click publish. So now go back, this is your site identity. Now go back, you can change color. So I can change background color, so any color I want, I can look for any of the color or blue color, so whatever color you want, you can see, you can manage any color, guys. So let it be white, it looks more sober. Then go back, add a background image. If you want to add a background image to your website, so this is a background image. I can change my background image from anywhere to anywhere, so I'll make it more into center. I want to look for a fit, or I want the original image, so I'll just go for original image. Then I click publish. Again, I can change my menu location from here, or edit my menu, or create a new menu. In widgets section also I can add widgets. In home page setting I can change that home page setting. And additional CCS, if you have any coding idea with you, you can always use this section, you can create codes. So this is how you can change look and feel of your front page. So this is what is all about creating a basic website, guys. I'll come with another video where I will show you media details, pages, command, how to create a form, how to use a plugin and user panel tools and other details, and how to make your website look more fantastic. But meanwhile, I want all my viewers to create some pages and publish n number of posts if they want, so that they can have a good amount of content. So just wait for my next video tomorrow, and then till then, thank you so much. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, any questions, you can always comment in the section below, and you can ask or give your feedback. So before I close this video, and I just want to request everyone to please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, so that I can keep creating videos for you related to WordPress, related to website, related to digital marketing, related to affiliate marketing, related to whatever topic you have for online marketing. I'll give you all the basic ideas. Even if you are facing any problem related to any of online marketing activities, just ask a question in the comment section below, so that I can create a video and you directly get this video delivered to your inbox if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life.